Now, if you're also paying a huge chunk of money to writers and designers to generate some blogs for you and post it on your platforms, this video might save you a lot of your money. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a simple automation that you can set up using which just by entering the topic or the title of the blog, you can automatically generate a blog, you can generate an image using AI for the blog, and also you can post that blog on your social media platforms or your WordPress site or anywhere you want. So hello guys, welcome to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to discuss one of the best automations that you can set up with Pabbly Connect. Now what is this automation? Let me show you. So as you can see, we are just going to enter a title of the blog in this Google Sheet. So let me enter the date first, and after entering the date, I'm just going to enter a title. Let's say I'm going to enter as top 5 factors affecting global warming. So just now I have entered this title in my Google Sheet, that is top 5 factors affecting global warming. Now as I enter these details, within few seconds, automatically on the same topic, using AI, we are going to generate a blog, we are going to generate an article. Then after that, for the same blog, for the same topic, we are going to generate the image using AI as well. And also we are going to create a post. We are going to publish that article on our WordPress site too. And that too without any manual effort. We are just going to enter this title in the Google Sheet, and within few seconds in the same Google Sheet, here we are going to receive the link, the URL of that published blog or created blog, drafted blog as well. So let's wait for a few seconds over here. And yes, here you can see just now automatically a new link is added in this Google Sheet. We will just open this link, and in a new tab here you can see it has opened a blog on my WordPress site. And here this blog is on the same topic, same title which we have added in our Google Sheets. That is the top 5 factors affecting global warming. Then after that, here you can see we have top 5 factors. Also here you can see we have an image generated by AI on the same topic. And the same image is automatically added, embedded in the blog which we have posted. So in this way, you can completely automate the process of generating content using AI and automation. Now, if you want to know how you can basically set up this kind of flow by just entering the topic you want to generate the blog, now let me tell you, to make this happen, we have used an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect. So let me tell you, in Pabbly Connect, we have created a simple automation workflow using which whenever I'm going to enter some data or some title or topic in my Google Sheet, automatically Pabbly Connect captures the response. So here you can see this is the automation workflow which we have created. Now the automation actually works on the concepts of triggers and actions, where the trigger is basically happening on an event which is going to start the automation, and the actions are the following steps which will be followed after that. So here in this particular automation workflow of Pabbly Connect, we have selected Google Sheet as a trigger application. And then we have selected new or updated spreadsheet row. So in this trigger step, we have connected our Google Sheet so that whenever we add a new title in Google Sheet, automatically the same title, the same topic or same data is received inside Pabbly Connect, and this automation workflow will trigger, it will start. Then after getting the topic of the article, what we are going to do, we are going to send that same topic, that same title to OpenAI. And using OpenAI's AI image generation platform DALL-E, we are going to generate an image for our WordPress blog. So here you can see we have selected the OpenAI step, generate image action step over here, action event for OpenAI action application. And the model is DALL-E 3. So we will be using OpenAI's latest image generation model, that is DALL-E 3. Then we have given the prompt over here, like generate an image to be added in a blog, and we have the same blog title which we have added in our Google Sheet. So basically we have made this blog title dynamic over here. While creating the automation workflow, we have basically mapped this blog title and made it dynamic. This means whenever we add a new topic or a new title for a blog in Google Sheet, for that new topic, the image is generated using DALL-E. Then it is asking us total number of images we want to generate. So right now, I just wanted to generate one image, so I have entered one. Then it is asking us for the size of the image, so we have selected it, and the quality as well. And after that, using OpenAI's DALL-E, we have basically generated an image for our blog. After generating the image, in the next step, using OpenAI, what we have done, we have given this title, we have given this topic to OpenAI's ChatGPT. And using ChatGPT, we have basically written an article. We have asked ChatGPT to write a blog for the topic which we are giving. Also, to the ChatGPT, we have given the same image link which was generated in the previous step. So in the previous step, we got an image from DALL-E and we have given the link of that same image given by DALL-E to ChatGPT. And we are asking ChatGPT to basically write an article and also add this image to that article. After doing this, here you can see in response, it has given us an article in HTML format. I have specifically asked ChatGPT to give me the blog content in HTML format because in HTML format, you can have the perfect formatting of your choice. So that's why here you can see in response, we have this complete blog written by ChatGPT, and in the same blog, the image generated by OpenAI DALL-E is also added. After generating the blog and the image, what we have done, in the next step, we have sent all of this content to WordPress. And in our WordPress account, we have basically created a post with the same content. So here you can see we have selected WordPress as the action application in the fourth step. We have selected create a post action event because we want to create a new post on my WordPress site. After that, we have selected the type of post which we want to create. We have given this post a title. So we have entered the title in our Google Sheet. From that step, we have directly used the process of mapping to add the title over here. So whatever title we are going to enter in Google Sheet with the same title, the post will be created in my WordPress site. After that, here in post content, we have basically mapped or given the content given by ChatGPT. So using ChatGPT, we have received the content of the blog in HTML format with the image URL. We have basically added that same content in this WordPress step. Then we have just scrolled down, we have selected the status of this particular blog as draft. So you don't want to directly create and publish the blog on your WordPress site. You have an option to create a draft as well. After creating this draft, you can basically review these articles or these blogs before publishing it as well. So we have selected the status as draft, but instead of draft, you can basically select any status of your choice. After this, here you can see it is asking us other details like the category, tags, media, format. So you can basically select all of these things. You can completely customize the article, the blog which you are creating on your WordPress site. If you want some specific media or image to be added, you can select it. If you want to add some kind of tags to this WordPress post, you can do that too. Then it is asking us for the format, comment section, and all the other details. So if you want, you can select all of these options according to your choice. And after doing this, after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it has basically created a post with the same content. And in response, we have received the link of the same post. If you copy this link and paste it over here, you will see this is the link of the post which is generated by ChatGPT and posted on our WordPress site. So this is the exact same post for which I have given the prompt earlier in my Google Sheet. Now, after getting the link of the post, after creating the post on our WordPress site and generating a link for it, what we wanted to do, at last, we just wanted to update this exact same link in our Google Sheet. So in this Pabbly Connect automation workflow, we have basically added a Google Sheet step at last, using which we are just updating a Google Sheet row. And then we have just added the row index. We have just mapped the row index from the trigger step because when we receive the data of a new row or new topic added in our Google Sheet, we get the data of the row number as well. And in the exact same row, we wanted to add the blog link as well. So what we have done, we have basically added this row number over here, row index over here, using which we are telling this step that we want to update this particular row. And here you can see we have 3 columns in our Google Sheet. You can see all 3 columns over here. We don't want to make any changes or update any data in the column of date or blog title. So we just kept it blank. And here in the column of blog link, we just wanted to update the link of the blog which is just now posted on our WordPress site. So we have basically mapped the blog link over here. And after that, using this simple automation, whenever we add the title of the topic of the blog in Google Sheets, automatically a new blog is created using AI. We create an image, we post it on our WordPress site, and the link is added in our Google Sheet. So in this way, using Pabbly Connect, we have created this very simple automation workflow. And using this automation, I can just add the topic in the Google Sheet and automatically the content will be posted on my WordPress site. Now here, if you want to create this kind of Pabbly Connect automation, you will get a full step-by-step tutorial video link in the description box below. Also, you will get the exact same automation template for Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that clone link, you can clone this exact same automation into your own Pabbly Connect account. And just by connecting your account, you can start using this automation for absolutely free. So here guys, using this automation, I have just completely automated the process of generating content and posting it online. If you have any other requests related to automation, or if you have any other process which you want to automate, you can always write us in the comment box below. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have some other processes which you want to automate, you can always write us in the comment box below. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.